The basic principle of a microwave oven is to cook food without fire by exposing it to microwaves. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves that change the direction of their electric field 1 to 30 billion times per second, causing water molecules in food to move rapidly. This movement generates friction between the molecules, producing heat that cooks the food. The microwave oven was invented by Percy L. Spencer, 1894 to 1970, from the United States. Due to financial difficulties, he could not finish elementary school and started working in a factory. After working in an ironworks, he joined Raytheon, a company that manufactured vacuum tubes. Despite his lack of formal education, he had an exceptional mind and obtained over 120 patents through continuous effort and research. One day, in 1945, while researching near a vacuum tube, Spencer noticed that the chocolate in his pocket had melted despite no visible heat source. Curious, he repeated the experiment the next day and observed the same result. Realizing there was a reason, he began investigating and discovered that microwaves emitted from the vacuum tube had caused the chocolate to melt. Using this principle, he invented the microwave oven, which cooks food without fire. The first microwave oven was massive, standing 150 centimeters tall and weighing 340 kilograms, making it suitable for large restaurants, trains, and ships rather than households. However, with technological advancements, microwave ovens became smaller, more functional, and easier to use, allowing even ordinary homemakers to cook food conveniently.